Hey guys, welcome to Be the Cash Cow, guys. This channel is about you being your own cash cow, guys. So now the video or the channel is not about making your own cash cow that will produce money on demand, guys. No, guys, that's sci-fi, guys. This is about reality, guys. Now if you clicked on this video because you want to become a transcriber, then you are at the right place, guys. Now let's get started on today's video. Okay guys, so today's video is about what you should know before you apply to become a transcriber, guys. Now I'm talking about things that people don't tell you, that the reality about being a transcriber and the whole application process, guys. So keep tuned, so I will tell you about the good, the bad, and the ugly. Okay guys, so if you want to be a transcriber, guys, and you want to find out where you can apply to be a transcriber, guys, I've got another video that lists different websites that you can apply to be a transcriber. But guys, before you watch that video, make sure you watch this video, guys, so you are informed before you make that decision of becoming a transcriber. All right guys, so I have a video that gives you a list of websites that you can apply to become a transcriber, guys. I will put the link above and also in the description box so that you can check it out after you've watched this video before you decide and apply to become a transcriber, guys. I recommend you watch this video to the very end. It might just change your mind about being a transcriber, guys. Now guys, great things about being a transcriber is that you get to work from the comfort of your own home. You don't need to leave the house. And guys, guess what? It doesn't even cost you anything. You already have everything that you need to become a transcriber, and they are not negotiable if you're going to be a transcriber, guys. Now the first thing, and most obvious, the first thing that you're going to need, guys, is a laptop or a desktop, guys. That is non-negotiable, guys. These companies, they require you to have a desktop or a laptop. Either one is fine. You can't do this on your tablet or your mobile phone, guys. Now the second thing that you need is a PayPal account, guys. Most of these sites, they pay you using PayPal. That's their only form of payment, guys. So you're gonna have to have your own PayPal account and set it up so that it's linked to your bank account. That's the only way that you're gonna be getting paid. Now the advantage of that is that advantage of these website is that they pay you per week, so you don't have to wait a whole month before you get paid. They actually pay into your PayPal account per week, so they pay you once a week. So you work for a whole week and then you get paid, guys. That sounds great, right? I know it sounds awesome, guys. Now the third thing that you're gonna need is good internet, guys. If you're watching this video, then it's a check. You already have good internet. Now the fourth thing that you're gonna need, guys, is a good command of the English language. That is essential, guys, because the audio recordings that you're gonna be listening to, like 90% of the time, are in English. So you need to understand the written language and the spoken language, guys. And a bonus, if you can speak another language and you can write it, guys, that is a huge bonus, guys. And keep watching and I'm going to tell you why that is a huge bonus and a huge advantage if you want to be a transcriber. Now the fifth and final thing is these babies. You are definitely going to need your fingers to type, guys, whether you type slow or whether you type fast, but these are essential, guys. Yes, you're going to be using these to type a lot, guys. No, I'm not going to be teaching you how to pick pockets. Now it makes sense why you want to be a transcriber, because a lot of people on YouTube and off of YouTube are making money being a transcriber, guys. The people who are making $100 a week, $250 a week, are just transcribing, guys. Even better, if you are in another country and you use a different currency than the US dollar, that means that you get paid double. Why? You get paid the whatever $100 that you have made for the week. Second of all, exchange rate. when you convert that $100 to whatever your country is, you get paid more. So you get paid double if you live in another country. Another great advantage about being a transcriber is that you set your own hours. It's a 24-hour job. You decide how much or how little you want to work. It's all up to you. It's not a 9 to 5 job, as a 24-hour job. You decide. If you can't sleep in the middle of the night, you can go and go transcribe something. If maybe you were bored in the afternoon, you can quickly go transcribe a script. It's all about how much or how little you want to work. It's all in the palm of your hands. Now let's talk about, okay, now the whole process of being a transcriber, guys. Now you must be aware of the fact that there is a test, an exam of some sort, or an audition. They need to know that can you actually do what they require you to do, guys. And they do this by giving you a test. So they will give you some audio for you to transcribe and then send it to them. All right, you heard test and you started panicking a bit, guys. Don't worry. So most of these sites, what they do is that they give you like a training on how to do the test. They show you step by step on how to do the test. Some even go so far as to let you do a practice test. They give you samples of audios where you can practice how to transcribe and submit it, and then compare what you transcribe to what they expect, guys. And another thing that you need to note, guys, is that all of these websites, they've got their own style guide on how they want you to transcribe. So one website might be okay with you typing in filler words like yeah and all of those stuff, but another website can not want any of that in their transcript, guys. It all differs from site to site, guys. So they have their own style guides. Some are actually short, they're like 1 or 2 pages, and some are really detailed. They go into everything. They talk about how they want you to write numbers, like from 0 to 9. They want you to actually write out the number instead of just typing the actual numbers, guys. They're very specific on how they want you to transcribe this stuff, guys. So it's important that you take your time to go through their style guide step by step, guys. So I wouldn't recommend that you rush this part, guys. You need to take your time and give your brain time to absorb all of this information, because for some of these websites, this is like 24 pages worth of information, guys. So you need to give yourself time and pay attention, guys. One thing that I need to warn you against, guys: don't apply or do the test to these different websites at the same time. That's a big no. If you do that, I can tell you guys, you are guaranteed to fail. Why? Style guide, guys. These websites, they don't operate the same way. What might be acceptable for one website might be totally unacceptable for another website, guys. So you don't want to mix the two styles together, guys. So focus on one website at a time. Take your time learning the style guide. If they have practice exams, do all the practice exams until you are very good, guys. Now the pass marks for these exams are very high. They require pass rate of in the high 90s, guys. Not just, they don't want you to just transcribe 80% or 90%. Even 90% is not good enough, guys. They want somewhere around 97 to 100%. I doubt 100% is possible, but hey, you could surprise them and do 100%, guys. But yes, don't do the test for these sites all in the same day. You are bound to mess up. And guys, some of these websites, they only allow you one opportunity to write the practice test, guys. And if you write it and you fail, you're gonna have to wait 30 days to be in order for you to be eligible in order for you to be eligible to write it again, guys. Some, they can go even up to 45 days before you can rewrite the test. And that's because currently right now they have a large volume of people who are applying for this type of job. So they've got, you know, more than enough people, so you don't want to mess up and have to wait long but because you're in a rush. So you need to be patient with yourself, guys. Allow you 2 chances, guys, to write the exam, so they're a bit more lenient, guys. Some are very strict and some are more chilled, guys. So if you have another opportunity to write, if you have another opportunity to write and you failed the first time around, guys, take a break, take a second, take a day or 2, guys, and go over the style guide again, guys, and pay attention to every little detail, guys, because if you you already had one chance that you messed up. You don't want to mess up the second chance, because if you do so, you are gonna have to wait a month or a month and a half before you can apply again, guys. So you rather wait a day or 2 than wait a whole month to apply, guys. So you need to be very careful and you need to be very patient with yourself, guys. Let me just be brutally honest with you guys. This is not an easy job. Make no mistake about it. If you've heard other people telling you that it's easy and all of that, they're not being honest with you. They really are not being honest with you. This is not an easy job. It's not a quick get rich scheme. No, definitely not, guys. This job requires you to have good listening skills, guys. Good listening skills are essential in this job, because what you might not know is that most of the audio that you have to transcribe is crap. Like, it's very hard to hear, guys. It's not the most clear audio. You're not transcribing. You could probably transcribe what I'm saying right now in this video easily, but that's not the audio quality that you will get for your test or for the job, guys. It's not going to be all the time that you're going to get clear audio. Most of the time you will get audio that is not clear, guys, where there is a lot of background noise, guys, and sometimes you find that the speaker mumbles or the speaker has an accent that you are not quite used to, guys, and that makes it very hard for you to transcribe, guys. And if you have a good hearing, guys, that is a advantage, guys, in this field, because that means that you don't have to replay the audio segment a lot of times, guys. Maybe you need to only replay each segment twice. So that means that if you have a 6-minute audio clip, then you're replaying each segment twice, that means that it will take you minimum about 12 minutes to transcribe a 6-minute audio clip. Now, if your hearing is not that great, then that might take you longer. If you have to play each segment about 3 or 5 times, guys, that translates to a 6-minute audio file might take you 30 minutes, even an hour for you to transcribe, guys. And that makes a difference, guys, because time is money. They don't pay you based on how long it takes you to transcribe the audio. No, it doesn't work like that. They pay you based on how long the audio that they give you is. So most of these sites, they pay about $5 to $20 per hour of audio. So meaning that for 1 hour's worth of audio that you need to prescribe, that you need to transcribe, that's $5. Let's be realistic, guys. That's like the worst case scenario. Or maybe you're still starting off, so they're not gonna start you off on a high amount, guys. Let's just think worst case scenario, $5, guys. Now, if it you have to listen to each segment about 5 to 6 times, guys. That means if you need to subscribe 1 hour's worth of audio to get paid the $5 or $20, that means that it's gonna take you 5 to 6 hours, guys, just to earn $5 to do 1 hour's worth of audio. That means you are now working for $1 an hour. That is your hourly rate, guys. That is the reality. Hence I said, guys, before you apply, you need to watch this video, guys, because I'm telling you the honest truth, guys. This is not a quick get rich scheme, guys. It's not, guys. This is gonna take time, guys. It's gonna take time. It's gonna require your time, guys. Okay, guys, so that is the reality of being a transcriber, guys. You need to bear in mind that this is not for everybody, guys, and that's just the harsh reality of it, guys. Your talents might lie somewhere else, guys, and that's okay. You can still do other things. This might not be for you, but if you strongly believe that this is for you and you want to go ahead, then that's fine. Go watch my video about all the different websites where you can apply to become a transcriber, guys. I will put the link above and below, guys, and you can check out that video about all the different sites where you can be. Alright, guys, so if you have experience being a transcriber, guys, please share your experience in the comment below and let us know what your take on it is, guys. And guys, if you haven't done so, please make sure that you like the video. If you found it informative, guys, come on, show me some love. Give me a thumbs up and do comment below and let me know which of the things that I have spoken about did you found most informative or you didn't know about, or maybe you feel like you want to add more to what I have already covered, guys. Feel free to do it below, guys. Guys, if you haven't done so, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you know when I have released another video, guys. And it's a cash cow signing out.